Hey folks, welcome to Peapaw's Shop. I got a product here today I want to show you. This is from Airmoto. This is a smart air pump, small and portable. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Alright, nice packaging. We like that. We appreciate good packaging. The little instructions. Okay, bubble wrapped. Keeps it protection or protected. Hey, that's pretty nice. Not too heavy. Looks like we come with a USB-C. See what we got here. We got a protector shield on there. We'll take that off. All right, so here's your on-off. Hey, there's the hose to hook to your car. That's going to screw in right up there. And it got a little piece of tape on it that says it gets hot, so when that air is going through there, it generates a little heat. We just have to be careful of that. So you got a deflating button. We got an on-off button. Let's see, it looks like they've charged it for me. Got a hole right here to store this hose in. That's pretty nice. And this thing will charge your vehicle up to 120 psi, they say. So right now so we're going to take this thing and we're going to give it a try. There's 50, 60. That's pretty nice. There we go. All right, we got. There we go. Stores right in there like that. I like that. Turn that thing off. Put it in the little pouch there, put that in your glove box, and it'll be ready for you when you need it. Find yourself on a slide road with a low tire, slack tire, or maybe even a flat tire. This thing will take you up to 120 psi, and you just charge it right back there in your car. Hey, looks like a good product. I'm going to give it a try, see if it works for me. Y'all give this thing a look. Looks like it's got a little flashlight on the end there too. So I didn't read the instructions on how to turn it there. Looks like a motorcycle selected, bicycle selected, and a basketball selected. So we'll put that back. I don't know why the person icon's there, but then we'll put that back on the car. And there's the flashlight on the end of that, so that's on. So this is looking like a really, really handy little product to have around. Not to mention the fact that Airmoto is one of the leading companies in portable and battery-powered inflators. So. By the way, I forgot to mention before I left there that Airmoto sent this to me, asked me to do a review on it. So my reviews are not prejudiced in one way or the other. I'll examine the product and tell you what I think about it. And right now this is looking like and feeling like a really good product. So again, y'all give it a consideration. And in the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.